Morning. I am Riji, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Rogni College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about smart home automation, that is IoT application and case study. On knowing the smart home automation, students can able to know what is a smart home automation and how they are controlling this light fan through this smart technology, design, implementation of device and gateway domain hardware and software. Smart home automation. All smart home device can communicate using OpenHub. OpenApp drives from home automation bus. The developer deploy Java and OSGI services and use the open source development environment and deployment platform. It is accompanying cloud platform. My OpenApp provide a communication between the cloud. The My OpenApp cloud connector is provide REST and cloud-based service such as IFTTT. The operating system version Android 4.1 onwards and iOS 7 onwards FITT enabled service such as smart home control and automation using mobile phone or tablet. OpenApp compute environment is Java. GUI client or design and can be used to download JIT IED. Guidelines binding for code development provided OpenHub. It also show architecture layer in OpenHub development environment. OpenHub development environment. It is having this OSGA runtime with backlog, declarative service, event administrator, configuration administrator, and mainly based on core, base library, a library, and given to item provided, protocol binding, automatic logging, user interface, REST service core. Respiratory mainly depend upon the core value. Two domains and their high level service capability in the home automation IoT architecture reference model or device and gateway domain. Assume that the system deploy J lighting devices each with a proximity sensor. Automatic logic provides that if no change is found in proximity due to presence of person, that the switch is off. That means if a person is inside the house or inside the office, switch will be off. If no are there, it automatically will off. Assume that the system also deploy K intrusion sensor and I appliances. Automatic logic provide on intrusion communicate trigger to a local or web service as per configuring setting as the configuration administration service on OSGA framework. Application and network domain. Application and network domain deploy application and service and have the high level capabilities. Now you can see how the device and gateway domain. Control of home. We will have smart light, proximity sensor, intrusion sensor, application sensor is given to user interface, protocol binding, item provider, automatic logic, event bus, event message, OSGA framework, OpenHub, and this can be analyzed through FFT service, my application network domain, remote control of device, connected home automation, event processing, home event and message. Again IFTT, analytics, application, Android iOS, email, social media and web of service. Design implementation of device and gateway domain hardware and software. It describes that sensor which is deployed for number of home automation application and implementation of home promise intrusion circuit and embedded sensor device. Software need high power computing for intrusion reduction. Section described Raspberry Pi 2 model which is deployed due to high computing power and implementation of home promising lighting and appliances. Embedded sensor device software need computing power for lighting automation and Arduino RPI board can be deployed. The OpenHub can be used to end-to-end solution for smartphone application services. It also describes Eclipse IoT stack-based end-to-end IoT solution with Java and OSGI. A developer can use code with the Eclipse Stack component for abstraction software gateway in embedded sensor and devices. So from this what logic, so normally if you see from this smart home automation, students can understand how a applicator can communicate with the sensors to the smart home. And from this, some basic questions have been asked. Dash logic provide if no change is found in proximity due to presence of person when the device is off. So already you know what logic we use. Dash client are designed and can be used to download GitHub. So these are all the important topics what you know about smart automation, smart home automation. Thank you.